Are you looking for the best smoke absorbers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best smoke absorbers that are available on the market.
If this video is helpful for you, please like, comment and press the subscribe and bell button. Okay, let's start the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the BAOSHISHAN Mini Solder Smoke Absorber. This mini smoke absorber produces the highest air velocity of 14 meters per second. The freestanding unit, along with a steady base, also consumes no space on your workbench. Moreover, the equipment keeps your workspace free of toxic fumes produced by iron welding and soldering. This tool is ideal for the workbench smaller than 80 centimeters. The flexible hose of this extractor allows users to rotate it at a 360-degree angle. The multiple filtration system of this extractor also removes harmful gases, dust, and dirt. Furthermore, the plastic body of this model is light in weight yet offers enough durability. The caster wheels help you to move this machine from one place to another. The model works in both vertical and horizontal smoking modes. Moving on at number 4, we have the Solder Smoke Absorber by NOEVSBIG. With the help of a telescopic handle, this smoke absorber adjusts its angles according to your requirements. The round-shaped fan frame also comes with a rim of color-changing light. Moreover, you can change the color of the equipment up to 3 different shades. The extractor effectively removes fumes to keep your workspace clean and fresh. The sturdy metal clip is easy to fix on flat surfaces lesser than 6.5 centimeters thickness. The smoke-absorbing lamp also does not produce much noise during operation. Furthermore, with the help of an ultra-bright lamp, you can simply illuminate your workspace while working on DIY projectors. The flexible bracket consumes lesser space on your desk. The replaceable foamed and carbon-activated filter keeps your workspace purified and free of toxic fumes. At number 3, we have the KOTTO Soldering Smoke Absorber. With a strong suction power, this smoke absorber instantly absorbs smoke to keep your workspace free of toxic fumes. The equipment also runs on 120 to the 240 volt power supply. Moreover, the absorber easily absorbs the stinky fumes of iron welding, soldering, and more. With the help of a replaceable filter, you can simply change the filters accordingly. The extractor works with a maximum operational noise level of 55 dBm. The strong suction unit also comes with an average life expectancy of 50,000 hours. Furthermore, the motor of this model rotates at a maximum speed of 6,000 RPM. The 24-inch long flexible tube, along with a fume hood, helps users to adjust the direction of it accordingly. This extractor comes along with a spare filter for convenience. At number 2, we have the Kulannder Solder Smoker Absorber. The smoke absorber comes with the construction of premium quality and heavy-duty material. The equipment also absorbs the stinky odor while doing several DIY projects. Moreover, the extractor is helpful for the persons who do stained glass working, arts and crafting, and electronic working. The aluminum alloy material construction feels light in weight and offers resistance against rust and corrosion. The portable design helps users to carry this equipment to your workspaces. The motor of this absorber also comes with an estimated lifespan of 50,000 hours. Furthermore, you can conveniently replace the active carbon filter according to your requirements. The fan does not make any disturbing noise or vibration during operation. The heavy-duty fan of this equipment offers a maximum air circulation of 2,000 mm per minute. And finally at number 1, we have the KOTTO Solder Smoke Absorber Remover. This smoke absorber consists of a 0.4-inch thick activated carbon filter. Therefore, this equipment also absorbs fumes of flux, chemicals, solder, and toxic fumes. Moreover, the extractor comes along with a pair of carbon filters. The device works within the working temperature range of -20 to 60 degrees Celsius. The model keeps your workspace cool and air purified while soldering or iron welding. The extractor also consumes 120 volt of electricity. Furthermore, the low noise-producing fan rotates at the speed of 3,000 RPM. Therefore, this model can remove fumes from 5 to 6 inches away. With the help of a carrying handle, you can simply move this extractor from one place to another. The slip-resistant, high-density rubber feet keep the machine stable on the ground.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like the video. If the video is helpful for you, please like, comment and share to your friend. Then don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.